Now this figure 18-75 shows an illustration that illustrates sizing the conductors to a fire pump. And let's just say that this fire pump motor was a 60 horsepower, 460 volt, three-phase, design B. We're just saying that. The supply conductors are sized in accordance to 695 dot 6A, and of course you can get sizing conductors and for a single motor and 430.22, for two or more motors on a feeder with other loads 430.24, and then of course 695.6B1. So I suggest these sections be reviewed if you want to get a handle on this requirement. And then notice in the note we list this reliable power, and we tell you need to see NFPA 20 A9.2.3 item 4. And that section does tell you that, reliable power from a utility cannot go down 4 hours collective in a year and usually be considered as reliable power, by the authority having jurisdiction. And that's what this illustration is illustrating, is the markings and the facts and the things that we need to know to size the conductors, which we will do in the upcoming illustration.